Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today, can you see the lecture on the screen?
Yes.
Okay. We have done our two equations, two derivations. That was the first equation of motion and second equation of motion. Now, last derivation we have third equation of motion. Okay. And that formula is in front of you. 2as is equal to vs square minus vi square. A means acceleration, S represents distance, displacement, Vf is the final velocity, Vi is the initial velocity. Okay, and we have to prove this derivation. Start from the wording derivation. We know that if a body change its position, if a body change its position means it covers a distance in interval of time in a particular direction. Why the particular direction? Because displacement is involving here. As I told you before, displacement is a vector quantity, and vector quantity has specified by their direction also. If the total distance is divided by time, we get velocity. A body starts from a rest. Starting velocity was initial velocity after covering distance, displacement, and after some time, a car reached its final destination. Then its velocity become final. So when we divide displacement from the time, when we divide displacement from the time, then it becomes a velocity. Means, as I told you before, rate of change of displacement is called velocity. ठीक है, ये velocity का formula है in a general way. In a general way means when there is no involvement of initial and final. We are just saying the velocity, displacement and time. Are you getting my point, students?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. V is equal to S upon T. T इधर divide हो रहा है. On the next when we shift on another side, it can cover uh, with the T with a V, then it will multiply with V. यानी कि इधर divide हो रहा है, उधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा? Multiply. So it becomes the formula S is equal to VT. Very important formula and very important derivation. Don't please try to understand. If you have any confusion, ask with me. S is equal to VT. Mentioned equation number 1. Now is the time to distribute the general velocity in our components, in our parts, like initial velocity and final velocity. Okay, if the initial velocity of the body is Vi and its final velocity is Vf, then average velocity is as follows. Students, when we talk about average, जब हम एवरेज की बात करते हैं, when we talk about average, we just add the both velocities or given velocities, and the two velocities are involving here, so we will divide it by 2. And again, if we have more than two velocities, then we will divide it by 3, 4, and so on. Number of terms divided by quantity. Okay, two velocities divided by 2. This is average. And when we talk about change, जब हम change की बात करते हैं, then we will subtract the final velocity from initial, as you can see an acceleration formula. ठीक है, जब हम change की बात करते हैं, when we talk about change, then we will subtract final velocity minus initial velocity. When we talk about average, we will add both values divided by 2. Okay. V is distributed in the average, distributed in its component Vi plus Vf divided by 2. Now for the time t के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will use the formula of acceleration. Acceleration formula, we have Vf minus Vi divided by time. Okay, and we will replace the A with T. हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? A को T की जगह पर exchange करवा देंगे. You can see on the screen. We will replace T by A. Why? Because we will have to put these value of V and T in equation 1. हमें इन दोनों changes को, दोनों values को put करना है equation number 1 में. Is there any confusion? Any confusion, students?
No.
Okay. Alishma, are you getting my point? Okay. In equation 1, up now we will, when we put the values of v and t in equation 1, then it comes in that position, okay, in that way, value of v and value of t. Okay class, now denominator multiplied by denominator and numerator comes in the bracket form. 2a is a 2a, and here we have vf plus vi, vf minus vi. Students, are you getting my point? Is there any confusion?
Yes.
I think very
No.
clearly you can see on the screen. We just arrange denominator multiplied by denominator and numerator written in a brackets. Okay, 2a here are in the dividing position. When we shift with the s or displacement, then it comes with the multiplied relationship. Means 2a the divide हो रहा है तो जाके multiply 2, it become 2as. 2as, and here we will write vf plus vi. Vf means we shift the denominator term on the
Process
left
नहीं आ
hand
रही.
side. Got it class? Okay. Here the formula is yes Hashim, do you have any
टीचर
problem?
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सही से.
Now अब आवाज आ रही है? Hello?
जी.
Okay.
जी जी.
Now here the mathematics formula is applied. A plus B, when we have in both brackets, listen to me very carefully, when we have same terms and opposite signs, same terms with opposite signs value, then it fulfill the formula of A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. You can see in both brackets values are same. It is final velocity, initial velocity, final velocity, initial velocity. First bracket we have plus sign, second bracket we have minus sign. So first term is taken as A, second term is taken as B. A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. That's the term we have proved or derivation heard. 2as is equal to vf square minus vi square. Is there any confusion? यहाँ तक कोई confusion है?
Yes.
Yes. Ask with me. जी पूछिए क्या समझ में आपको?
टीचर ये जो SS के नीचे वाला 2s वाला ब्रैकेट है ना ये.
जी ये वाला?
जी.
Okay. There यहाँ पर देखिए 2a is shifted on left hand side. ये यहाँ से यहाँ move कर गया. Okay. So हमारे पास ये वाली terms हैं. और यहाँ पर here we will just contract the values according to formula. ये हमने formula में डाल के solve कर दी. If you have any confusion, then we will we have another option like this. हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? इधर हम multiply करवाएंगे दो brackets को. VF the you can do it like this. VF the VF square. यहाँ पर देखिए ये VF square बन जाएगा. As if you want to open the bracket. First VF multiply by this and then VF multiply by VI. अब यहाँ पर minus sign and VF VI ये multiply relation है which I am going to telling you, and then अब ये we have covered the VF with the bracket and then VI VF the with plus sign. Here I am multiplying. This is an other way. ये आप दूसरे तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. VF and then VI and VF VI VF the VI VF plus minus minus and VI VI the VI square. Here you can see VF VI with minus sign and here we have VI VF with plus sign, so they cancelled each other. इन्होंने एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर दिया. वी हैव टर्म VF स्क्वायर माइनस VI स्क्वायर एज लाइक दिस. तो ये हमारे पास प्रूव हो गया और यू कैन डायरेक्टली सॉल्व विद द फॉर्मूला थ्रू द रेफरेंस ऑफ फॉर्मूला A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. Is that clear students? यहाँ तक clear है?
जी.
Okay. Now let's move forward. अब हम आगे चलेंगे. ये हमारी डेरिवेशंस यहाँ तक डन हो गई. Last topic and then we will start our numericals. Okay. Next topic we have gravitation. Did you heard the word gravity before it? आपको पता है gravity के बारे में? Gravitation. Did you read gravitation? Any idea?
Oh,
No.
Gravity is a force. Okay. When we walk on the earth, ये जो है ना हम we will study deeply detail in chapter number 4. When we walk on the earth, okay, there is a force between us and earth. So inside the earth, which is present inside the earth or the center of the earth, by which we are able to walk on the earth. This is due to the gravitation. Now the definition of gravitation is every two bodies in the universe attract each other with a force which is called gravitational force or force of gravitation. Due to this attraction, the bodies having a smaller mass move towards
जमात कर रही है.
greater mass.
फिर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Sai.
Okay. Students, in space, when you go in the space, so we cannot walk on this in the space. हम space में खला में जाकर walk नहीं कर सकते because of due to the absence of gravity. वहाँ पर gravity
मेरी आवाज
नहीं
कटे
है.
इधर से.
Hello, आवाज आ रही है? Students, can you hear me clearly? Okay. अब जब हमारे पास वहां पर ग्रेविटी नहीं होती है, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन नहीं है, तो if we don't have the gravity force, we don't able to do anything. Okay, we cannot walk on the earth, we cannot pour the liquid into the cup. मतलब हम कप के अंदर कोई लिक्विड नहीं डाल सकते हैं. ओके, मतलब हम लोग जस्ट स्विम करेंगे, जस्ट उसके ऊपर मौलिक हो जाएंगे हवा के अंदर.
मेरी आवाज खुद से कट गई.
Hello. Okay, next topic we have detail acceleration due to gravity. Now can you hear me clearly? आवाज आ रही है? Okay, next topic we have acceleration due to gravity. The rate of change in velocity under the action of gravitational force is called acceleration due to gravity. Means it's a definition of acceleration due to gravity. Gravity is like a acceleration. When the continuously change in velocity, then it convert into the acceleration, and under the action of gravitational force is called acceleration due to gravity. And I am giving the real example of gravity. When we drop anything on the at the top from the top of the building, when we drop anything from the top of the building, then it always fall and on the earth. वो हमेशा अर्थ की तरफ ही गिरती है जब भी कोई चीज हम ऊपर से फेंकते हैं on the. तो ये क्यों हमेशा why every object fall on the earth, fall on. Hello, can you hear?
That doesn't make that
Hello.
doesn't story of English.
Okay.
ओए हाशिम.
Yes, students. The rate of change in velocity under the action of gravitational force is called acceleration due to gravity. Okay. The value of g cannot be same everywhere because the earth is not exactly round. Here we cannot say that the value of g is constant because earth is not exactly round. Okay. ये जो है ना अर्थ हमारी बिल्कुल राउंड शेप की नहीं है बल्कि ओवल शेप की है, लेकिन हम उसको कंसिडर करते हैं कि हमारी अर्थ गोल है. While scientists get an average value of g that is 9.8 meter per second square. Please remember this. This is a constant value of small g which is applicable through the world. Now we take the value of g as 10 or
जमात कट रही है.
अगर हम यहाँ पर राउंड ऑफ करें, राउंड ऑफ लेंगे तो 9.8 इक्वल हो जाएगा 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर के. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल these are the conditions.
Okay.
Value of g will be taken as positive when it is moving towards the earth. Means if any object moving towards the earth, अगर कोई चीज जमीन की तरफ आकर गिरेगी तो वो value of g will be positive because the earth's is a direct मतलब जो है gravity और earth का relation आपस में बहुत strong है. मीन जब जमीन की तरफ कोई चीज आकर गिरेगी तो वो strong होगी. And the value of g will be taken when it is moving away from the earth. Means if we throw the object upward, अगर हम कोई चीज जमीन से ऊपर की तरफ फेंकेंगे तो वैल्यू ऑफ जी क्या होगी, नेगेटिव होगी. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. Okay, next topic we have motion under gravity. When a body is moving under gravity. Okay, student, when the height is covered, then displacement converted into acceleration converted into gravity, and equations become I plus gt. Okay, and then 2as is equal to minus vi square become 2gh vf square minus vi square. Means acceleration converted into the gravity and acceleration converted into the height only. These are the little changes when we when the height is involved. This will be solved through the numericals. You know, here we have some differences: distance and displacement. As I told you before, between distance and displacement. Distance क्या होता है, displacement क्या होता है? Can anyone clear me, students? Can you tell me what is the difference between distance and displacement? Yes, students, give me the answer. Hello. What is the difference between distance and displacement? No idea. Alishma, Huma, Ismail, Hashim, Aisha. Okay. Distance, change of position, cover the distance, change the cover the position from one point to another point. Without distance has no specific direction. Okay, it's a scalar quantity. Scalar quantities are those quantities which is specified by their magnitude only. When the मतलब means it does not show the directions. ये direction जब नहीं होती किसी भी distance quantity की, वो scalar होता है. It is represented by as, while displacement, change of position of a body in a particular direction. Means a car is moving towards the east, a plane is landing towards the north, इस तरह से towards the north, east. तो ये जो है specific directions है हमारे पास, तो that are a vector. So displacement is a vector quantity. It is also represented by s, but at the top of s you can see arrow sign is represented. Arrow represent the vector quantities. Remember this. Here we have speed and velocity. These are the same thing, rate of change of position in any direction. There is no specific direction, but when the direction is given, that speed, that change of position, of the rate of change of position, we say that it's a velocity. Speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. Why? What is, hello students, can you tell me what is scalar and vector? I am telling you again and again. Now you tell me what is scalar and vector. क्या होता है scalar and vector?
टीचर आपकी आवाज सही से नहीं आ रही.
हेलो, सवाल पूछने पर आवाज नहीं आ रही है, वैसे आवाज आ रही है. Tell me.
नहीं आ रही.
What is
नहीं आ रही
scalar?
टीचर.
When anything specified by the direction. When we have a given particular direction, that quantity r is vector quantity. When we don't have direction, so that term is include in scalar. जब हमारे पास direction given होगी तो वो vector quantity होगी. When we don't have a direction, that is scalar quantity. Simple. We have a formula of speed is v is equal to s upon t, while we have a same formula of v is equal to s upon t with the arrow sign at the top of the quantities. Okay, is there any confusion? Hello students, is there any confusion? Students, आवाज आ रही है? Okay. Now, last difference we have uniform velocity and variable velocity. Uniform means same. Speed remains same in equal interval of time. Variable means time, change with the interval of time. means time will remain same. Speed, in variable velocity, speed may remain the same in equal interval of time, and speed remain the same in equal interval of time. Okay, speed can be changed with time, while in variable velocity speed can change while the time remains same. Okay, in other words, easy word. Direction remain the same in equal interval of time. Direction may remain same. It means it can be changed the directions all. So the object does not possess acceleration. Object possess. Obviously, variable means.
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Hello. Wait. Hello. Now can you hear me clearly?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now let's move towards the numericals. Okay, we are going to solve numericals. For the numerical, we have question number 1. Very easy topic and very easy formula. Here we have given a car moving. Very important. Please listen to me very carefully, because in section B, numerical portion, numericals, you will attempt numerical with 40 marks. Okay, 20 marks. 20 marks numerical included in the exams. So it is very important to attempt and very easy. A car moving with a velocity of 36 km per hour. Students, here you have given velocity. Okay, a velocity you have given mentioned. A car moving with a velocity of 36 km per hour. As you know, unit of velocity is unit of velocity is always given in meter per second. Meter per second में given होता है. But if we have given velocity in kilometer per hour, we will convert it into meter per second. Okay, and then is brought to rest. उसके बाद गाड़ी रुक गई after 5 seconds. Calculate its deceleration. हमें इसका acceleration मालूम करना है, but deceleration is called is an other name of acceleration. Deceleration किसको कहते हैं? I told you in the last class. Do you have an idea what is deceleration? Give me answer, students. Deceleration means acceleration with minus sign. Initial velocity we have given. Here we have given initial velocity. A car with a velocity of 36 km per hour. Moving with means गाड़ी move कर रही है किसके साथ? Speed 36 km per hour. Per h minus 1 represent the per hour means h km upon h, or you can say that minus 1. First we will have to convert this unit मीटर पर सेकंड. किलोमीटर पर आवर को हमने मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करना है. व्हेन वी कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर इनटू मीटर, वी फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई. किलोमीटर से मीटर में जाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? वी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000 एंड डिवाइडेड बाय. ओके क्लास, टेल मी इन हाउ मेनी सेकंड्स आर इन 1 आवर. 1 घंटे में कितने सेकंड्स होते हैं? एनी आइडिया हाउ मेनी सेकंड्स आर देयर इन 1 आवर? Yes, class. Hello. Students, tell me how many seconds are there in 1 hour? 1 घंटे में कितने seconds होते हैं? Hello, students. Huma, Ismail, Aisha, can you hear me? Class, tell me. No idea? Huma?
No.
Okay, I'm telling you. Listen to me again. I will not explain this to me very carefully. In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. 1 घंटे में 60 minutes होते हैं. And in 1 minute, 60 seconds are involved. Okay? 1 घंटे में 60 minutes होते हैं. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. तो हम इसको टोटल कैसे काउंट करेंगे? 30. Okay, listen to me very carefully. we just 36,000 upon 60 multiplied by 60 becomes 6 6 are 36, 0 zeros are 2 zeros. Okay, here we got the answer. In 1 hour, there are 3600 seconds in 1 hour. एक घंटे में 3600 seconds होते हैं. अब आप क्या करेंगे? You will divide the 36,000 divided by 3600. इसको इससे divide करेंगे. Then you will convert the initial velocity with a meter per second. Okay. Answer will be, क्या आंसर होगा इसको डिवाइड करने से? Here 0 cancelled, 2 zeros. Okay. 36 ones are 36. 36 ones are 36. But we have 1 0. तो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी हमारी क्या आई है स्टूडेंट्स? इनिशियल वेलोसिटी हमारी आई है, वी हैव इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Is that clear or I'm repeating? Will I repeat again? बताइए जल्दी से. Should I repeat it again or not? We have given 36 kilometer per hour initial velocity, okay? And we don't use kilometer per hour unit in the numericals. We will use for the velocity meter per second. Always we will use the unit for the velocity. यानी कि इसका जो सिंबल होगा हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये velocity given है मीटर पर सेकंड से. ओके, मीटर पर, अगर आपको given, if you don't have given the kilometer मीटर पर सेकंड, you will convert. आप उसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे किलोमीटर से मीटर में. फर्स्ट किलोमीटर फॉर changing kilometer into meter, you will multiply it by 1000. Given velocity, multiply by 1000 divided by 3600. Then velocity convert it into meter per second. Is that clear, student? Is that clear, students?
They will give me here.
Now is brought to rest. Is brought to rest means final velocity becomes 0 because car has stopped. Final velocity becomes 0. We will write it in a subscript position. This is our subscript position. Final velocity becomes 0 meter per second. Meter per second or meter. Is that clear, student? ये हमें यहाँ पे given लिखा हुआ है is brought to rest. We will take out the velocity through this wording. And other thing we have given, और हमें क्या given है numerical में? Given in 5 second. 5 second is representing here. 5 second क्या है यहाँ पर? Time. Small t we have given. Small t we have given 5 seconds. So this is the way you can make a list of given numericals, okay? And then now numerical has 3 parts always. First, you will write the heading of data. That in with in data you will make a list of given quantities, okay? Then you will write the heading required. Required means you are the term which you will have to find out. What is the requirement? Calculate this deceleration means you will have to find out the acceleration. And the third part of the numerical we have solution. ये देखिए अब हमें यहाँ पे solution करना है. The numerical consists of 3 terms: data, 3 part data, required, solution. In data you will make the list of given quantities, and in required you will write what you will have to calculate or you will have to find out, okay? And in solution you will write the solution with the help of formula. Okay guys, we will use the in numericals we will using the formula. यहाँ पर हम जो formula use करेंगे मैं उनकी list बना देती हूँ, okay? Here we will write the formula. Number 1, S is equal to, यहाँ पर हम ये वाले फॉर्मूले यूज करने जा रहे हैं. ओके, एंड देन V is equal to S upon, these are the formula which we will use in chapter number 3's numerical. Okay, हम इस chapter number 3 के जो numerical पढ़ने जा रहे हैं ये वाले formula. And then we have VF is equal to VI. These are the formula. VI plus first equation of motion, VI plus AT. And second formula we have S is equal to VIT plus half AT square. These are the formula. These are the formulae of the chapter number 3, which will be used in numericals. And the last formula we have 2AS is equal to VF square minus VI square. Okay, here we have a list of formula through which we can easily solve our numerical. Okay, ये हम numericals में solve कर लेंगे. Okay, then you have given initial velocity. Okay, and the last and very important formula we have given, acceleration is equal to, acceleration का भी तो हमने पढ़ा था formula. Acceleration formula we have given, A is equal to VF minus VI divided by, whole formula जो है ये किससे divide हो रहा है, whole formula is dividing by T. When I put the bracket, that's mean whole terms are involved, divided by T. Okay, so students, अब आप यहाँ पे देखें, you have given initial velocity, final velocity, time. You will have to find out the acceleration. Can you tell me which formula is applying here? कौन सा formula यहाँ पे apply हो रहा है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 formulas in front of you. Which formula is putting? Will I put here? जल्दी से बताइए. Students. Hello. Please tell me. S V A V F S 2 A S. कौन सा फॉर्मूला पुट होगा यहाँ पर? हेलो, कैन यू हेयर मी?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बताइए ना, क्यों इतने डम होके बैठे हुए हैं आप लोग? इसमें से
Screen चले. क्या होगा formula?
Yes, try to give me the answer na, at least. Response me.
Delta Y 36.
Formula number 3, right? How? You have given VF, you have given VI, you have given time. So put the values and solve out. We have given VF minus VI, and the formula we will put here the given things in the data. Okay, जो हमें पता चलेंगे data के through, हमें ये भी given है, ये भी given है, हम solve कर लेंगे. A is equal to, now what is VF here? 0 minus, what is VI here? 10 divided by time we have given 5. यहाँ तक कोई confusion students?
No.
0 minus 10 become 0 minus 10 become
0 minus 10 become 5.
minus 10. Okay, divided by 5. Now what will be the answer? Answer क्या होगा?
So 57 10 को divide करें 5 बार.
So you tell me na. I know that what is the answer, but you tell me what should be the answer. Divide 10 by 2, it becomes, क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? -2. -2.
2.
Okay, and acceleration symbol, acceleration unit we will use meter per second square. Here we find out the acceleration. तो acceleration symbol होता है, जो acceleration के लिए unit use करते हैं वो होता है meter per second square. Is there any confusion? Very easy question. I am asking again. A car moving with a velocity of 36 km per hour. Moving with means you have given initial velocity. Kilometer per hour, if you have given any velocity in kilometer per hour, first convert it into the meter per second. How? Kilometer converted it into the meter means multiply any term, any number multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600. 3600 is the are the second. Okay, then you will take out the convert the kilometer per hour into meter per second. If you have given kilometer per hour, then don't need to convert it if you have given meter per second. Then car is brought to rest. Brought to rest means 0 meter final velocity become 0, and in 5 seconds you have given time and calculated deceleration. Deceleration is the acceleration, but the answer would appear with the minus sign. That's why we called it deceleration. ये acceleration ही होता है लेकिन वो minus में आता है. Okay, here you have a list of formula which we will use in chapter number 3. So you can see that formula number 3 is fulfilling or applying. We can apply the formula number 3 because we have given final velocity, we have given initial velocity and time also, that through which we calculated the acceleration with a minus sign. That's why it's a deceleration. Is there any confusion? You can ask with me. कोई कंफ्यूजन है आपको यहाँ पर? वरना हम आगे मूव करते हैं. Yes class. Hello. Class, any confusion? Hello class.
No, miss. Madam.
Only Smile is responding. Me. Huma, Aisha. What's wrong with you? Why are you not speaking? If you have any problem, then ask with me now. Okay. Next numerical we have. Find acceleration of a body whose velocity increases from 11 meter per second to 33 meter per second. Means आपको acceleration निकालना है. Velocity increase हो रही है 11 से 33 meter per second in 10 seconds. Now tell me the data. Data बताइए हमें क्या क्या given है.